Still using traditional pressure washers for tough cleaning jobs? Let's compare them with the VEVOR cordless pressure washer. First, power output. Regular washers average 300-400 psi. VEVOR delivers up to 652 psi for stubborn grime. Regular washers often have only 1 or 2 pressure settings. VEVOR offers 3 settings: gentle, medium, and high. Standard models use brushed motors prone to overheating. VEVOR features a brushless motor with auto-cooling technology. Safety can be an issue with accidental trigger pulls. VEVOR's safety lock prevents unintentional activation. Most traditional washers require constant trigger holding. VEVOR sprays continuously with a single press. Nozzle versatility. Typical models have limited options. VEVOR includes a 6-in-1 nozzle for every task. Regular washers may lack foam or watering features. VEVOR comes with a foam pot for washing and watering. Battery life is a common pain point in cordless models. VEVOR's 4.0A battery lasts up to 60 minutes per charge. Charging speed? Standard chargers can be slow. VEVOR includes a certified fast charger for quick turnaround. Portability. Regular washers are bulky and hard to move. VEVOR's handheld design is lightweight and easy to carry. Let's see them in action side by side. Traditional washer struggles with caked-on mud on paving stones. VEVOR's high-pressure mode blasts away dirt instantly. Cleaning glass. Regular washers risk damage with high pressure. VEVOR's low-pressure setting gently cleans without scratches. Large floor areas. Standard washers need frequent repositioning. VEVOR's medium setting covers wide surfaces efficiently. Nozzle switching. Regular washers require manual tip changes. VEVOR's 6-in-1 nozzle rotates for quick adjustments. Foam washing. Traditional models need extra accessories. VEVOR's included foam pot makes car washing effortless. Battery drains fast on most cordless washers. VEVOR's battery powers through a full cleaning session. Overheating shuts down regular motors mid-job. VEVOR's brushless motor cools itself for longer use. Summary: VEVOR outperforms regular washers in power, versatility, and convenience. It's safer, easier to use, and more efficient. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? Choose VEVOR cordless pressure washer for seamless results. Click the link and experience effortless cleaning today.